Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can take CBD oil by putting it directly under your tongue. That part of the mouth is a capillary-rich area, and so the CBD will reach your bloodstream quicker. Try dropping a dose of CBD under your tongue and holding it there for a minute before swallowing.
Let's help you make your mark.
Common forms of CBD, on the other hand, if you take a tincture sublingually, which means under the tongue, you're absorbing it directly into your bloodstream. So you could get quicker, more noticeable results than you would from waiting for your digestive system to process it. 8 July 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Take your CBD tincture. The most effective way to administer our CBD is to take it sublingually. We recommend allowing it to sit under your tongue for 30 seconds, then use your tongue to distribute the remaining oil to your inner cheeks. 30 December 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
60 seconds. Long story short, you may as well try holding your CBD oil or tincture under your tongue before swallowing it. You could find that you feel it working slightly faster. Anecdotally, says Dr. Birdsall, experts recommended that you hold it there for at least 60 seconds. A word of warning, there will be drool. The 28th of March 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.